Welcome to our scientific journey through the depths of Mother Nature's most intriguing phenomena, El Niño and La Niña. Both are influential forces that shape weather patterns across the globe significantly. In this video, we delve deep into their mysteries, examining their impact on global temperatures, weather events, and even fisheries. So join us as we unravel the enigma of these captivating climatic events and reveal their profound effects on our Earth. 1. Understanding the enigma of El Niño. El Niño is a fascinating climate phenomenon that impacts weather and ecosystems worldwide. It's characterized by unusually warm ocean temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific. These temperatures can rise to several degrees above normal, significantly affecting global climate patterns. The name El Niño, meaning the little boy, or Christ child, in Spanish, was coined by Peruvian fishermen as these events often appeared around Christmas. Essentially, it's like nature's own heater, influencing weather far beyond the Pacific. Understanding these shifts helps us better prepare for their wide-reaching consequences. 2. The heavy hand of El Niño on weather patterns. One of the most dramatic effects of El Niño is its impact on weather, causing heavy rainfall and flooding in South America, especially along the coasts of Ecuador and Peru. Imagine this as nature turning on a supercharged sprinkler system, quenching and flooding vast areas with relentless downpours. On the flip side, it contributes to persistent droughts in places like Australia and Southeast Asia, turning land once lush into parched deserts. Such extremes in weather demonstrate the broad and sometimes severe impacts of El Niño on different parts of the world, showing how interconnected our global climate truly is. 3. El Niño's ripple effect on global fisheries. The impact of El Niño extends deep into the ocean, disrupting the delicate balance of marine life. The warming of ocean waters interferes with nutrient-rich cold water upwellings, creating scarcity for marine creatures. This particularly affects fish populations, notably anchovies, which are crucial for both local economies and food chains. Picture a conveyor belt in the ocean that suddenly stops bringing nutrients, causing declines in fish and affecting larger predators and fishermen who rely on them. This cascade of changes illustrates how a single climate event can ripple across ecosystems. 4. Global temperature spikes during El Niño. El Niño events are known to cause temporary spikes in global temperatures. This happens as the warm waters of the Pacific release stored heat into the atmosphere, almost like opening a giant oven door to heat the Earth's atmosphere. During these times, global averages can rise noticeably, contributing to various climate anomalies and heat waves in different regions. The interplay between the ocean and atmosphere during El Niño highlights how crucial ocean temperatures are in the grand scheme of global climate. It also underscores why scientists keep a keen eye on these natural cycles. 5. The rhythmic occurrence of El Niño. El Niño dances to its own unpredictable rhythm, typically occurring every 2 to 7 years. Once it begins, it usually lasts between 9 to 12 months, though some events linger longer. This erratic schedule makes it challenging to predict, like waiting for a guest who shows up unannounced but loves to stay a while. Understanding its frequency helps meteorologists and scientists anticipate its arrival, allowing for better preparation. Despite its irregular timing, the pattern is recognized well enough to plan for its climatic influences well in advance, a testament to decades of observation and research. 6. Meeting La Niña. El Niño's cool counterpart La Niña stands in contrast to El Niño with cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific. Named the little girl, this phenomenon brings its own distinct flavor of weather changes. Picture her as the cooler sibling, balancing out the warmth of El Niño. The cooling can extend throughout the Pacific, affecting weather systems globally in a manner as complex and intriguing as her counterpart. Like two sides of the same coin, La Niña and El Niño together illustrate the intricate dance of nature's oceanic and atmospheric interactions. 7. The chill effects of La Niña on weather. The presence of La Niña often leads to wetter conditions in regions like Australia and Southeast Asia, while simultaneously causing drier spells in parts of South America. Imagine these areas soaked in rain and flourishing, while others endure prolonged periods of dryness. This change in weather dynamics showcases the profound impact of ocean temperatures on land-based climates. Just as El Niño can bring deluge and drought, La Niña creates its own set of contrasting weather conditions, offering a reminder of the delicate balance within our environment. 8. Hurricane activity amplified by La Niña is notorious for ramping up hurricane activity in the Atlantic due to a reduction in wind shear, which allows storms to gather strength more easily. Picture the Atlantic as an energetic dance floor of storms, with conditions ripe for hurricane development during these periods. This enhancement of activity underscores the link between oceanic conditions and atmospheric storms. Recognizing these patterns can help forecasters provide early warnings, reducing risks for those in hurricane-prone areas, and showcasing the broader implications of La Niña's influence. 9. The irregular dance of La Niña events. Similar to El Niño, La Niña events occur every few years but can last longer, sometimes persisting for up to 2 years or more. This variability adds to the challenge of prediction, akin to forecasting the unsteady steps in a long dance. These prolonged conditions impact agriculture, ecosystems, and weather globally, necessitating long-term strategies and planning. Recognizing the unpredictable nature of La Niña, alongside its longer duration compared to El Niño, exemplifies the importance of ongoing climate monitoring and adaptation in our ever-changing world.